Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on GCSE Biology. In today's video, we'll be looking at microscopes. This will cover light microscopes, electron microscopes, the limits of both types, magnification and a test at the end. So first of all, light microscopes use a beam of light and lenses to magnify things. Their key features are they're small, relatively inexpensive, easy to use. The specimen that you are looking at can be alive or dead, and you can see colour images. Now, electron microscopes. Electron microscopes use a beam of electrons to produce an image on a computer screen. Their key features are they're quite large, they are expensive, they are difficult to use sometimes, the specimen that you are looking at must be dead, and they can only produce black and white images. There are two types of electron microscopes. You have the TEM, which is transmission electron microscope. This is used to examine thin slices or sections of cells or tissues. And you have the SEM. This is the scanning electron microscope, which has a large field of view, so can be used to examine the surface and structure of specimens. Now, these are just a few examples of the limits of both types of microscopes. So for light microscopes, they have a lower resolution and they have a lower magnification. For electron microscopes, they are a lot more expensive and they can't magnify live specimens. Now to calculate magnification. The equation for magnification is image size over actual image. So this is essentially the image size that you have from the microscope divided by the actual size of the sample. So that's it for today. We're now on to the test. So number 1 is which microscope can be used if our specimen is live? Number 2, what are the two types of electron microscope? And number 3, if the image size is 2000 millimeters and the actual size is 5 millimeters, what is the magnification? You will now have 30 seconds to either write down your answers or think of them in your head. Okay, that's time up. Now for the answers. So number 1, if our specimen is live, we will need to use a light microscope. The two types of electron microscopes is a transmission electron microscope and a scanning electron microscope. And finally, the magnification is going to be times 400. Well done to everyone who got those right. If you didn't, it may be worth going back over the video and making some additional notes. And that's it for today. Thank you everybody for watching. Remember, for additional videos, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Any questions, please pop them down below in the comments. Thank you and bye.